Hello, Nomad Sculpt and version 2.3. There's a new feature or two new features for curvature in the post-processing. And let's see. Okay, here post-process, and here is now a thickness slider. This is a new feature, so you can adjust the thickness. And here you see two icons here, and this is a blend mode. So darken, multiply, difference, and yeah. So, and yeah, the factor, and maybe let's change the blend mode to multiply or darken, so you see the difference. So that's it. Okay, so the thickness slider here and the blend mode. This is new. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.